Today we're talking about something simple, comforting, and powerful: herbal teas for health and balance. For centuries, people around the world have used herbs to support the body naturally. A warm cup of herbal tea isn't just relaxing, it can help restore calm, support digestion, and strengthen overall wellness. One of the beautiful things about herbal teas is their simplicity. Many of the most beneficial teas can be made using just one herb and hot water. For example, chamomile tea is well known for promoting relaxation and supporting better sleep, a gentle tea, perfect for evenings or stressful days. Peppermint tea is refreshing and soothing. Many people drink it to support digestion or to feel more alert without caffeine. Ginger tea has a warming quality and has traditionally been used to support immunity and reduce inflammation. Lemon balm tea offers a mild citrusy flavor and is often used to encourage calm focus and emotional balance. These small daily rituals can make a meaningful difference over time. Taking a few minutes to prepare tea allows you to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with your body. Herbal wellness doesn't have to be complicated. Often, the simplest habits are the most sustainable. If you'd like to explore more herbal tea recipes designed to support immunity, reduce inflammation, and restore balance, you can find the full guide in the description box linked below. Thank you for watching, and here's to healing in a cup.